Stop.
She figured it out. We were talking about it and she just went to the I'm not even going to start filming this, so I guess we're a YouTube channel now.
Oh, you.
Ah! Oh no. Oh no.
Great. It hit me. Oh, God. Look how long he did.
He's probably pretty good because he's looking. I mean, I suck all the time, but I suck at Mario Kart anyway, but
You actually don't.
what?
I mean, I'm pretty good at fabric stuff. You're pretty good too.
I'm good if I have the right stuff, but I rarely have the right stuff. Alright. I'm failing. This car is a lot less fun than people. And also, I'm just getting hit with every item in the dang game. Yes.
Here, and try this. Here, I'm kind of better with that thing.
That was the best fail ever.
That guy fell off and just passed him.
I was going fast and he had a start car and I just went and I hit it and not only did he hit